Now I am going to explain an enhanced available bandwidth estimation technique for an end-to-end network path. The main aim of this project is the unique probing scheme, a rate adjustment algorithms, and modified exertion declaration algorithm for estimating the alternative available bandwidth of an end-to-end network path. The more accurately and less inter- intrusively. In this system, estimating the available bandwidth end-to-end network path. So, available bandwidth estimations is a crucial for traffic management, quality of service management, multimedia streaming, and network capacity provisioning in wireless mobile network. So here, so this diagrams indicates this is the network topology. So this is the source, on this is the routers, on this is the receivers. So this is multi-hop network topology. So router is having multiple routers. So in our project, two routers, three routers is there. One is ingress router, egress router, and normal router, and one is source and one is destination part. So this one is the Eclipse IDE. So this IDE, we are developed these applications by using this IDE only. So first you have to run source. So next you have to run destination part and egress router and egress router and router and egress acknowledgement. So now you can send the from source to destination. You have to give destination name, system name, select any text file. This is the peak rate, send. First, so ingress router is received the packet from egress. So this is the incoming packets, this is the outgoing packets, and next router is receiving from ingress router. So this is the outgoing packets. So next, so destination is waiting from egress router. So destinations is connected to the egress routers, connection is accepted. Next is file receiving. So egress router is monitoring. So what are the files, what are the contents it's received, what are the packets it's received, it's a monitoring egress router. So in ingress routers, so this is the packets. So this one is incoming packets, so this one is the outgoing packet. So for receive time it will little bit, it's take time. So now file is received from egress. So this is the entire running process of this available bandwidth estimation process. Thank you.